everybody, Cole here with Classic Mini DIY. Today is the day. It is the Cleaning Out Your Closet Contest Winners Announcement video. Now to make this a little bit more interesting, I'm going to be driving all over Charlotte, and each winner I'll be announcing in a different place. Now just to recap for you guys, if you did not see the first video, the giveaway was about giving away some of the old parts that may or may not work in my closet. I was giving away different things from all over the car. Some of it was in great working condition, other parts were maybe not in great condition but could be fixed for someone who needs them. So I figured, why not go ahead and give that back to you guys and give it out to you guys instead of just like, you know, trying to sell it on eBay or something. So each contestant was given the opportunity to pick amongst the parts that were still available at the time of me announcing that they were the winner. So the first place winner got first pick of all the different parts. The second place winner got the second choice of all the remaining parts, and so on and so forth, all the way down to the person in sixth place because there were 6 parts, or at least 6 groups of parts. Now for the sixth place winner, we have, drum roll, Alex from Midram, England. And Alex got the radiator as his part of choice. Well, I guess it was kind of his choice. It ended up being the last part that was available. So, Alex, if you wanted that, congratulations, you got that part. If you didn't, also congratulations, you got a free radiator. All right, so for the 5th place winner, we have Ryan in Stalybridge in England, which I might have mispronounced, and he chose the side oil pickup for his Classic Mini. So enjoy that part, Ryan. That one is in great working condition, so you should be able to put that in whatever motor you need it for. Now for the 4th place winner, we're coming stateside. The winner is Zach from New Braunfels, Texas. I probably mispronounced that city, which I don't know what that says if I can't pronounce the cities in my own country, but Zach, congratulations. Zach's part of choice was the intake manifold, and check out these pictures that Zach provided in the email confirmation I got back from him. Very cool looking Mini, and good luck with the intake manifold and the dual HS2 or HS4 setup that you're working on putting on your car. All right, and for the 3rd place winner, we're going back to Europe, and we're going to Germany, Siegen, Germany. Again, if I mispronounced that, I'm really sorry. I think that's correct though. And the winner is Victoria, and she chose the heater core, and it sounds like she was trying to win this for a friend of hers. So Victoria's friend, you have some cool friends if they're going to be getting you car parts off of contests. So congratulations to Victoria, and I hope your friend really enjoys that heater core. Now the 2nd place winner is a guy from what I've been told to call Super Leeds. I'm not really sure what that means, but I think you guys probably do. Super Leeds, England, and that is Tom. And he has won the free flow exhaust, which is pretty exciting because he actually commented or emailed me or something and said that he wanted to have the free flow exhaust because he was a welder and he could weld it back together. So it really worked out that nobody else picked that part and he was able to get it. So congratulations, Tom. You should be seeing some pictures pop up around the screen here, but big congratulations to Tom. Enjoy that exhaust. But with that, we only have one more winner, and that is the 1st place winner. All right, so our 1st place winner, drum roll please, is going to be Alex in Manchester, England, and he is getting the high-lows and the cones. So a big congratulations to Alex. Those high-lows and the cones are going to be a wonderful addition to your car or whoever's car you are putting those on. And I went ahead and included some pictures of his car on the left side here. But thank you so much for everybody who entered. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing and all the different ways that you can enter. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate the support you show for the channel. The next video will be our 998 rebuild video. That engine is still at the machine shop, but I'm hoping to get it back here in the next couple weeks, and we will get that engine put back together and running again. So until the next time, until the next video, motor on.